Rajesh, so my question to you is, we've seen certain trends changing in the real estate. When demonetization happened, real estate took some setbacks. I don't want to touch that as a topic. When GST came in, there was again some, pattern change that had happened in real estate. All of a sudden, a lot of customers started moving from, under construction project and planning stage. They started moving into ready to move in apartments. There was a pattern change, and there was GST, there was RERA, which was giving them the confidence in terms of buying a ready-made property rather than moving into an under construction property. Do you see any perspective shift now in the post-corona period, post-COVID
No,
period?
even today, we are getting good volume of inquiries where customers are seeking ready to move inventories. So it's not only because of GST. There are various factors. One is the trust factor, another one the pre-EMI component factor, and of course, due to the recent notification by the government of Tamil Nadu, you don't have to pay registration cost on the complete apartment value or the uh, house value. You just have to pay on the UDS and the construction agreement. That's the cost of registration.
Correct.
So because of this, also customers are looking for ready to move inventory, and there is no GST, of course, on the ready to move inventory. So apart from these reasons, these are the major factors because of which why customers are looking for ready to move inventory. So as Sanjay said, location is key. So in a particular location where customers are looking for apartments, where you do not have supply of ready to move apartments, customers are willing to look at apartments which are 6 months down the line ready to move, or 1 year down the line ready to move. So in case we run out of inventories over there also, then they would look for inventories which are 2 years down the line or 3 years down the line. And of course, it doesn't mean that under construction properties are not selling. There are clients who are looking for staggered investment over the period of next 2 years, 3 years. But those investments are happening uh, with builders who are reputed and who command good trust among the customers. So there, the under construction properties are also selling. So we have sold even properties recently, that too in June and July. We have sold under construction properties which are slated for delivery in 2023-24. So, and those products got sold because of the trust factor.
Right. So, Rajesh, again, this question is quite prospective because I am not from Tamil Nadu. I'm typically from Bombay. So, Bombay, there are ACAT developers and BCAT developers. Rarely you see a CCAT developer, things like that. But the same is not the case for Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, there are so many self-proclaimed developers. 2 grounds, 5 grounds, they're developers. 4 houses, they make their developers. So, the factor that you mentioned in terms of trust, wherein one side there is trust, second side there is GST, convenience of registration payment. Also, your dreams are, you can touch, feel, and experience what the product that you're getting. So, how do you divide that as a business?
Yeah, so if you ask me if Cat C or Cat D developer comes out with an inventory today and says that I'm going to deliver in 2023 or 24, it becomes very difficult for them to sell unless and until there is no supply in that particular location. Let's
Okay.
say a boat club example. So there you don't have supply. Even if a Cat C developer comes with a decent reputation of, let's say, 4 to 5 years of experience in the real estate, still those inventories will sell if they say that 2 years down the line is when I'm going to hand over. But then if the same developer comes out with the inventory, let's say in a market like Kelambakam, where there are a lot of inventories left, unsold inventories, though the volume is coming down in terms of the unsold inventories, but then you have ready to move inventories there also. There, the same builder will not be able to sell because of the brand pull which he has.
But he still has RERA to support him, right? He's a RERA registered developer. He will deliver on so and so time. That kind of a confidence should come, right?
That kind of confidence, yes, it is there, but still, many of the customers have not seen the power of RERA yet here in Chennai, while they have seen, I would say in Tamil Nadu, while they have seen the power of RERA in Mumbai, in Maharashtra
Delhi.
as a whole. So yes, we have a long way to go as far as the confidence building is concerned with regard to RERA.
So can we safely say that a reputed developer with a beautiful project completed, with great quality and ready to move in, that's the product that is more easier to sell for a client's perspective?
Definitely.
Fantastic. I like your confidence on that.